This is Fox and Socks, section 1. Here we go. Too slow. Chicks with bricks come, chicks with blocks come, chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. First, I'll make a quick trick brick stack, then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You can make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks on knocks on box. Yeah. Remember, each group, should have each member should have 2 lines by themselves, and 2 lines of the poem should be everybody together, and the rest is up to you. And keep a regular, steady beat. That's all. Thank you.